Ryan at Zabukovic RV. I wanted to show you what we just actually are finishing up here on this one side. This person actually had hail. We've taken every bit of this off and we've replaced 100% of it. We're replacing decals, all the metal, all the trims, everything else. So what we do is we actually take off every bit of the metal that goes all the way from the bottom to the top and replace it all the way down. We're a full service dealership, so we can pretty much rebuild them. If there's broken studs back here, if there's any kind of issues. My buddy Steve, he's my manager back here.
Hi.
How are you?
He's my main guy. He takes care of everything back here. He makes sure that everything runs smoothly and this stuff gets done correctly. It's smart if you get hail to actually fix it. A lot of people don't, and it actually is very bad. You're going to end up with water leaks, and it's going to cause you problems in the long run. It's also going to cause your insurance not to pay if there is another hailstorm. So if you ever have any repairs you need to be done on your trailer, we can pretty much do it all. So if you could, give me a call, give Steve a call. It's Zabukovic RV. Thank you.